Well, my paint scheme looks weird when rain gets on it.
Remember, you gotta take a different line in these tracks.
Uh-huh.
Oh god, you lose so much, like, sight.
Puddle.
Ooh.
Oh boy.
Oops, sorry.
No worries, it happens.
Whoa.
I got lost in the rooster tailing there.
It happens.
Oh, big puddle.
Oh, nah.
Oh, he's all over the place up front.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Ooh. Whoops.
Oh no. Okay. Thank you, Curb, for letting me know that all I'm supposed to do is go sideways.
Oh, puddle. My god.
Oh yeah, there's a big one you can't avoid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
If you can get your left tires on that little,
The curb on the inside.
what do they call those, bumper things?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go through that.
I'm just drifting.
Ain't care.
Alright, Chris.
I see just dim headlights in the background. Ah! Alright, big puddle again. To the outside, big puddle.
Update them bitches to Xenons.
In my rearview mirror, you guys are crystal clear, but I look back and it's just fog.
Next gen my ass. Get it right, Microsoft.
Damn it. Whoa! Need some
Get
Rain-X.
it?
Bitches love Rain-X.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow, body slam.
I rain-X'd my windshield on my MX-5.
My
Works
windshield
good.
is Rain-X automatically because I use the stuff that has Rain-X in it for watching.
Ah, yeah. Oh god.
Works awesome.
Oh Jesus.
My whole trip to Pennsylvania driving the first time it was raining, and I think I used the windshield wipers maybe 3 times.
Yeah.
It's nice in the rain because you don't even use them if there's nobody coming at you.
Right? That racing line trolls you because it appears
Yeah.
on the outside, and if you go out there, you get sucked to the wall.
Yeah, you don't want to go into that wall. Stay away from that wall.
Ah.
Inside, Casey.
Gotcha. Homer. Nice crossover.
Thank you. This
Oh,
is
God.
riveting.
I looked back and there's like 3 cars back there, or 2.
He's back.
Oh hi.
Hi. Whoa!
That rev limiter.
I tapped.
Yeah.
Wow. Pardon me while my balls dropped. I tapped Josh's rear bumper and my car was like, "Arr!" Like friggin'.
You hit me and my car was like, hey, turbo boost.
It was something out of friggin' Wile E. Coyote. Whoa,
You barely touched the rear bumper of the
holy
car in front of you.
crap.
It's all over. What?
That was in a, like, I don't know if it was. Oh shit! Sorry, Josh. I don't know.
I tried on the
I think we're
outside.
okay.
I don't know if it was lag or not, but friggin' I just saw like the most epic save ever from low.
Yeah, no, that was.
I
I'm
saved
pretty sure that was
pretty good.
legit.
Yeah, it
Yeah, I
was.
saved it.
And of course, Gary.
I was
comes
completely
on
off
now.
of it.
Gary's a bit late.
He said he wasn't
Bit.
gonna make it, probably. Come on.
I love the patches of like really heavy fog
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
where you literally just lose sight of everything.
It's realistic. Talk about immersion, man.
Immersion, that's a great show.
So was that.
Never heard of that show.
Oh, it's the
Whoop.
greatest. It's on
He's
TNN.
going back on the outside.
TNN.
TNN.
I remember that.
We know drama.
It's TNN.
During the We've Got Pop years.
Oh boy.
or-
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Ah!
Save it.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh no. Oh
I
no.
was like, Mommy!
Oh god.
Collisions are off.
Oh, shit. Oh well.
They are?
Yeah, I
Well,
hit the wall on my.
Yeah.
Oh.
When you become slow, you become invisible.
I made the pass
It's on-
low,
it's-
and then my
it's set to
tires
Gran
hit the
Turismo.
grass, and I just picked up speed.
It's set to
Yeah,
Gran
the-
Turismo.
The collisions are set to Gran Turismo mode.
That's awesome. I don't even have a PlayStation 3 and I get it.
Oh no.
Nice one, Josh.
Oh god.
Ah!
The first heavy
No!
collision.
Ow. I died.
It's funny, Mike, when you go in that grass, how that mud spins up out here.
Yeah.
Out the back.
Okay, there we go.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, I'm having trouble. So you guys. are
Oh,
gonna
sorry,
catch
dude.
up. Shit. Come on. Go straight, bitch. God damn it. Wow.
Oh,
Get
drifting.
some, let's go.
Those curves just absolutely destroy me.
Oh my
That battle
god.
for second. Oh god.
I just
Car
passed
race.
someone's
shit.
bumper.
Yeah, probably mine.
I couldn't have cut that corner any tighter if I tried.
Wow. I just almost spun.
I mean, like, oh shit, spinning around in circles. I couldn't get to any tighter, is what I should have said. No.
That's what she
I don't even know. Aha.
Nah.
Yeah, and when you spun on that corner for the third lap in a row, Josh, I thought I could thread the needle, but nope.
Hey, I only spun out there one time. I got really, really, really sideways all the others.
Wicked sideways.
Wicked sideways.
Wicked kid.
Wicked kid. Okay, yeah, say that, Bob.
Oh, save it. Good save.
Ah!
Wicked piss eye.
I fucked up the ankle a bit.
You what are you wanting?
I said I fucked up them corners a bit.
Yeah, that first corner.
I thought you said something about fucking an ankle. I was like, what are you doing?
What? No.
Now that's a cankle.
You guys see that picture? It says you think you're a badass because you can shoot a polar bear, but you're not a badass until you feed a polar bear while a cub humps your leg. It's a picture
Oh,
of a guy
God.
feeding a polar bear,
Oh,
and the
God.
cub is humping his leg.
Nice. I just kind of,
Hey!
yeah.
You like barreled in and then, yeah.
Oh, great.
Oh, there he goes
Fucking
again.
Douche nozzle. Alright, here we go. Take two.
Come on.
Hey, at least I'm consistent.
Oh, a bit slippy. I'm gonna catch you, Blue Dog.
Okay.
Whoa.
Nah. 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 Nah.
We're gonna need a bigger
Nah.
boat.
Nah. Nah. No. No bigger boat.
I'm gonna need a bigger car. A Lincoln
Yes.
Continental will do. Didn't your brother have one of those, Mike?
We're gonna need a
Yep.
bigger displacement.
Does he still have
Yeah.
it, or did he get rid of it?
No, he's never getting rid of that thing.
Thing's friggin' like
Ever?
literally the actual definition of land yacht, right?
Yeah, and gangster mobile. You roll up 8 deep in that thing with the suicide doors open. Yeah. We went 8 deep to bike week last year
Oh yeah,
Nice.
because it's bench seats front and rear.
that's awesome. Oh, speaking
Fuck.
of bench seats, you know Troy.
Yep.
I'm not sure if it's 100% yet because he hasn't given me the official word. But if I can find my way up to New Hampshire, he's gonna give me a 1989 Buick. What the fuck is it? Starts with a C, I think. Oh no, Buick LeSabre.
There we go. That
Oh,
makes
yeah.
sense.
3800 Series 1. And, yeah. Because he got this partial payment for doing his bus job in a truck.
Yep.
And,
I used to own one of those.
I want to follow you, Josh, but I can't see shit.
can't see shit. If I can find the gas money and stuff.
Shit! Motherfucker.
Mother bitch. You mother bitch. Maybe we can meet up or something and hang out for a little while.
Hang out.
Hang out. Sorry, my fucking Canadian is showing.
Fuck a duck.
I was gonna say your Central Pennsylvania is showing.
No, my Mainer is showing. Wow.
I'd have to say that sometimes the water grabs cars a little too hard.
Well, yeah. I mean,
I
I've
just like that
never
we're able to
driven-
race on rain and the slicks.
I know, right? We wouldn't even be able to go like 5 miles an hour.
Yeah.
We'd have never left the pits.
We'd all be in a giant pile with one of us on our roof in the pits.
It'd be like It'd be like that time that Top Gear brought supercars to the United States and they tried to drag race.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
My favorite was V8 Supercar, the season finale in like
did any of you
08.
see the Top Gear episode where they drove
Yeah,
through
the one that
the
Shane Van
airport?
Gisbergen won.
Yeah.
No, not drive through the airport. Drive through the like the little what's it, little offices and shit near the airfield.
Oh, the little car?
No, they had like they had a Maserati Grand Touring or something like that.
Oh
there was
yeah,
three
yeah.
different
They set up
cars.
the little course and like just blast around with a big Maserati.
Yeah, that's 2 seconds
Yeah.
away from my house.
Nice.
That's awesome.
I found that out. I was looking at it thinking, I fucking know that place. Where is it?
My favorite one was where they did the hospital one, and Hammond has the big Dodge van, and the brakes caught on fire by the
Yeah.
end of it because they're all like road race. They're all road racing around the town. No!
Yeah.
Oh my god. Fuck.
Hello.
Hi, Ryan.
Hello.
Hello. How's that snap oversteer treating you, buddy?
No
For a
good.
second there, I thought I saw an
I get dizzy.
MR2 in front of me.
That is one thing I like about this car is it can catch you out if you're not careful.
Well, you're also running simulation steering on a controller.
This is true. Still, it's fine.
Even in the rain, it'll fuck you over.
You got anything for him, Josh?
I'm in the lead.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you are.
Yeah, I fucked up.
Yeah, he pushed wide on the one corner, and I just kind of putted out of the bottom of it.
I saw something the other day made me laugh. I've said it before because it's, you know, it really does make sense. But it was like a picture of like, it was like a transvestite or something. And it said
Oh my god.
It said blowing a tranny means something completely different to a mechanic.
That's funny.
I
That's
was
good
like,
race,
oh,
Will.
man.
What the hell?
Oh, out of nowhere.
What the happened, Mike?
I clipped the wall on the inside on the straightaway, and it brought me to a dead stop, and then I hit that wall, and it brought me to a dead stop.
Damn tire walls.